Today we're going to add the Chrome extension Cami. So in Google Chrome, go ahead and type in Cami extension. Then you'll click on Google Chrome extension and add to Chrome. Add extension. So now I have this extension right here. I'm going to pin it so I can see it. It's this purple K. So I can click on that and it's going to say, would I like to log in or sign up? Well, you're going to click continue with Google and then you're going to choose your student account. Then you're going to say continue. You're going to select all and allow it to access it and continue. Now, we're using this for school, and you'll pick that you're a student. Finish. So, now it gives us one to get started. So go ahead and pick Get Started. So use the text box to type your name. If you click over here, it may look like this. You can use this double arrow to make it bigger, but you can add a text box. Type right here, Mrs. Edgar. Now I can make that bigger, or I can change the color. I'd like it to be purple and I'd like it to be bigger. Now it's going to ask me, this file is not uploaded. You want to check always upload and then click Save to Google Drive. So from now on, all of your things will be saved to Google Drive. Next, we're going to use this drawing tool, and I'm going to use blue, and I'm going to connect the dots. That is harder than it looks. Whoop. And if I don't like part of it, I can go back and I can erase. I feel like that's probably not exactly how I wanted it to look. I can make the line thicker if I want. That's better. And there we go. Then it says use a text comment to reflect on your first Cami experience. So select the comment tool and I get to make a comment somewhere. So I'm going to click right here and I'm going to say, I love using Cami, and I'll enter it. So now I have a comment there. I don't need this other comment, so I'm going to delete it. All right, I'm going to deselect that tool. Now I have a couple options for sharing. The first one is I can share here. So I can copy this link and I can send it to my teacher. Okay. If I don't want to do that, I can do a quick download. And now I have it that I can upload into Edgenuity. Or we have one more option. If you go into your Google Drive, you'll see it right here. And then I could share it with my teacher.